Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this article you will learn about an aircraft and what does a pilot do in an aircraft. Let's get started. Just before takeoff, the pilot gradually increases the speed of the aircraft. The air starts flowing over the wings. The shape of the wings, called airfoil, is designed to generate lift. Lift is the force that allows the aircraft to rise into the air. The pilot adjusts the angle of the aircraft's nose, changing the angle of attack of the wings. The angle of attack is the angle between the oncoming air and the chord line of the wing. By increasing the angle of attack, the wings generate more lift. The aircraft reaches a speed where the lift generated by the wings becomes greater than the aircraft and its weight. This is the point of takeoff. The wings work to counteract gravity, allowing the aircraft to become airborne. The pilot pulls the aircraft and its nose up, rotating the aircraft into a climb. Once the aircraft is airborne, the pilot can adjust the aircraft attitude and continue the climb to the desired cruising altitude. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned features of aircraft and how a captain rides an aircraft. We hope you liked this article. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.